Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, like I was saying in my last video, this looks like an ABC. Definitely not the shape of a 1, 2, 3. If this right here is the end of an ABC, it's actually likely going to go up and take out the previous highs on this 4-hour time frame. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. We're looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks. We're looking for Fibonacci bounces for more entries to go long. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, I mean, it's already made a little bit of an ABC shape, and it looks like it is already trying to push up. It may actually just, end up continuing up. Maybe you'll get like a volatility spike at the NFP news today. But I think that there's a good chance that this is like a 5-wave trend up, maybe even a wave one. This could even be like an ABC of 2, 61% fib bounce, and now we're potentially back into the uptrend. So I definitely would be looking for longs in an uptrend. Today is NFP news, so definitely be cautious of that. But as of right now, I definitely think I would have to be bullish on the euro dollar. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.